Hi, I'm Dr. Narendra and this is Dr. Nicholas Wyatt, and we are co-founders of Synergy Therapeutics, the evolution of nature, the revolution in science, and the dedication to optimizing health with supplements that are powered by nature and proven by science. So a probiotic is a microorganisms that are essential to confer health, and the International Association of Prebiotics and Probiotics indicates that the concept of probiotics has been around for 100 years. These are the good bacteria or the good bugs in our body that allow us to digest our dietary content and to reassimilate them or to make them back into the human body. It is essential that we have the right and the good bugs in our body in order to allow for a strong immune system and to assimilate our dietary intake into a healthy human substance. Sure, that's a great question. So the question is, what makes the Bio4 Plus DDS1 Synergy Therapeutics a unique probiotic for the consumer? Let me first start by answering the question, what is a probiotic? Probiotics are microorganisms that are essential to our health. You can relate the digestive tract to being a giant fermenting machine that has to break down our dietary intake into building blocks in order to reassimilate them into the human body. So you have to make an apple into a human. That can only be done by using microorganisms that can digest these our food intake. What's happened in our world is that we have a lot of antibiotics and other aspects of our diet that kill these microorganisms, and we have to essentially restock them. So a prebiotic is a microorganism that confers health to the individual, but more than just digestive health. It allows for immune health, health for the individual in terms of their general well-being, because the largest immune system in the body is a GI tract.
Question is a question that we get a lot from our patients is, okay, I'm starting an antibiotic therapy, what's going to happen to the intestinal flora or the microorganisms in the intestine after going on the antibiotic therapy? It's not uncommon that most of the antibiotics that we use will kill off many of the normal flora in our intestinal tract. Many of us has probably experienced this happen when we've taken antibiotics through diarrhea. Antibiotic-associated diarrhea isn't an uncommon thing. We know it's going to happen. The problem is we just never have been very good about treating for the antibiotic-associated diarrhea. And so that's where the probiotic comes into play. When you take an antibiotic, the antibiotic will destroy the normal flora in your GI tract, and that will produce diarrhea. The probiotic comes in 2 hours later or 2 hours before, and it replaces the normal flora that have been killed off by the antibiotic, and that provides a healthy GI system, which reduces your risk and associated occurrences of antibiotic-associated diarrhea. Thanks for joining us on Synergy Therapeutics YouTube channel and some great discussions about the products that Synergy Therapeutics offers. Again, I'm Dr. Nicholas Wyatt and this is Dr. Narendra. And remember, Synergy Therapeutics offers the only products that have been powered by nature and proven by science.